What if I told you can make $100,000 online in 2025, even if you're broke right now? I know it might sound unbelievable at first, but people have been already earning six figures online, working just an hour a day. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 most effective strategies to help you hit $100,000 online this year. I'll show you proof these methods work, how simple or challenging they are to start, and exactly how much money you can expect to make. The last strategy is by far the easiest to get started from zero. Let's get started. Shops like this one are generating millions of dollars annually by selling simple drop-shipped products on TikTok. For instance, this screen protector has sold more than 1,000 units in the past 30 days, earning almost $5,000. Despite its impressive performance, this product isn't that extraordinary or unique. So, do you need to create countless TikTok videos to market your products? Not necessarily, and I'll tell you why. Some shops, like this one selling t-shirts, offer very straightforward designs, often featuring a funny phrase and a nice font along with a small graphic. It's really simple. Despite that, this shop has achieved over 2 million views on some of their videos. The challenge arises, especially for beginners. Trying to figure out how to list the product for sale and then make videos about it can be overwhelming to learn all at once. But let me tell you something. You don't need to be a TikTok video expert to succeed. Why? Because in TikTok's shop section, users can directly search for products they're interested in. For instance, I could type in "funny mug for dad," which is something we could sell. From there, you'll see all kinds of products that are currently trending and selling. When you browse through the results, you'll notice some products with only a handful of sales, others with hundreds, and some even with thousands. What's interesting is that I did not discover these products through TikTok videos. They showed up naturally in the search results. Since TikTok is still a relatively new platform with far fewer sellers compared to giants like Amazon, it's much easier to rank organically here. Sure, creating videos can lead to amazing results, but as you've seen, it's not a must. Now, you might be wondering, if TikTok makes me ship stuff in 3 days, how do I even keep up? Take this shop, for example. They're selling printed t-shirts. But let's be real here. They're not in their garage printing those 15,000 orders by hand. What they're doing is, they use a method called print on demand, which basically means someone else does the work while they kick back and count sales. Print on demand lets you team up with a service like Printify. Here's how it works. You pick a blank product, like a t-shirt, then create or upload a design to customize it. Printify connects directly to your TikTok shop, so you can list the product for sale with just a few clicks. When someone spots your t-shirt on TikTok and places an order, Printify handles everything. They print and ship the item straight to the customer. You don't need to print anything yourself, manage shipping, or even stock inventory. Plus, you only pay for the product after someone buys it, meaning you're already making a profit. The first step is getting set up. Things like choosing a shop name, picking the product you want to sell, and creating a logo. These tasks can feel overwhelming when you're starting out, but the good news is you only have to do them once. Next, you need to figure out what designs will actually work for your product. After that comes creating the design, and finally, driving traffic so people can find and buy your products. The setup is definitely the toughest part, but once you've nailed that, the rest becomes much easier. I'll dive into how to pick the right designs and create them in just a bit. If you're aiming to hit 6 figures this year while starting from scratch, TikTok Shop can absolutely help you get there. It's not instant. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But it does work. That said, you'll probably want to tap into the power of videos to maximize your success with TikTok Shop. That's where number 2 comes in. TikTok affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty straightforward. It's when you partner with a business to promote their products. Every time you make a sale for them, you earn a commission, which is a percentage of that sale. TikTok has made this even easier by building affiliate marketing directly into TikTok Shop. If you open the shop section on TikTok, you'll notice an Earn button right in the middle. Clicking on it takes you to an application process. Once you're accepted, you'll get access to a product marketplace button. This is where you can browse a variety of products available for affiliate marketing. Depending on the product, the commissions can be pretty good. One great feature of TikTok's system is that you can actually see how well certain products are selling. It shows you how many units have been sold and how much commission you'd earn per sale. Some shops even offer free or discounted products, so you can create content without spending much upfront. And here's the best part. TikTok helps you learn from the pros. In the Earn tab, there's a Learn from Creators button. This lets you see the most viral, best-selling videos on the platform right now. TikTok is basically giving you a playbook of what's working, so you can create your own content inspired by the top-performing videos. It's like having a cheat sheet to start earning faster. This setup is awesome because, as an affiliate, you can start creating videos that convert without any of the risk or time commitment of setting up your own shop or finding products. If you're a shop owner and you'd rather not make videos yourself, you can offer a nice commission to affiliates who will create videos to promote your products for you. Whether you're managing your own TikTok shop or working as an affiliate, it's totally possible to hit 6 figures in a year if you're ready to put in the effort. On top of that, TikTok is teaming up with Amazon for in-app shopping, which means the marketplace is just getting started. This makes it one of the best and easiest opportunities to earn well over 6 figures in 2025. But hey, if this sounds overwhelming or just not your thing, keep watching. Because the next business I'm going to talk about is the one that's helped countless people like you make their first $1 million online, using the same principles, but selling on Etsy. What most people don't know is, Printify is also integrated with Etsy, so you can use the same business model on Etsy too. You pick the product you want to sell from their catalog, upload your design, and instead of listing it on TikTok, you can list it directly on your Etsy shop. When a customer finds your product on Etsy and makes a purchase, Printify will print and ship it straight to them. No inventory costs, and no need for you to handle the printing or shipping yourself. The best part? The only cost to get started is a one-time $15 fee to open your Etsy shop, plus 20 cents for every listing you post. It's a super affordable way to start your business. Take a look at this shop, for example. They're selling kid-sized sweatshirts and t-shirts, and the designs that are doing really well aren't anything overly complicated. They're just short, catchy phrases in a font that fits the Etsy vibe, nothing too fancy. Some designs have small graphics, but honestly, it's nothing you couldn't create using AI right now. So, making this kind of print-on-demand design is actually pretty simple. If we check the listing views, we can see this shop has only been open for 1 year and 2 months, yet they've already racked up almost 25,000 sales and earned over $1 million. If you're wondering how to create something like this with no experience, it's actually simpler than it seems. Typically, all it takes is typing out a catchy phrase in a stylish font, maybe adding a graphic here and there, and then listing it for sale in your shop. However, if the goal is to make 6 figures in the first year, it's important to be ready to put in the work, no matter which business model you choose. Success doesn't come overnight. It's all about learning, teaching yourself, and following strategies that have worked for others. You also have to post a huge number of products for sale. The shop we just looked at did well in their first year, but they've also listed hundreds of products. Many people give up after posting their first 10 or 100 products, but it's all part of the process. I get it. Being broke isn't fun. I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can feel. But here's the thing. You don't have to stay stuck. The internet has opened doors for people from all walks of life, and you can walk through them too. If this video gave you even a glimmer of hope or inspiration, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Remember, your current situation isn't your final destination. Take that first step today, and let's make 2025 the year you turn things around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.